So here are the questions. First question: how many layers can the atmosphere be divided into? Take the notebook out and write down the answer: 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D. What is your answer? Second question: which layer of atmosphere contains almost 90% of the total air? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, or thermosphere? Next, where do all the weather activities take place? Which sphere? Where do all the weather activities take place? Stratosphere, troposphere, mesosphere, or thermosphere? Come on, think and tell me the answer. The next question: what is the ozone layer found in? Where is the ozone layer found in? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, or thermosphere? Again, got it? Which layer of the atmosphere is extremely hot due to presence of hot and dense gases? Next, what is the outermost layer of the atmosphere? This has to be easy. Just write the option number. What is the biosphere? So here are four answers, and I'm making it short for you so they can just, yeah, here you go. Is it a narrow zone where lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere meet? Is it a layer of the atmosphere? Is it a type of rock? Or is it a form of life? Next, where do all the forms of life exist? Which sphere? In which sphere? Troposphere, biosphere, in exosphere, or in lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere? All three. Think carefully, very carefully. I'm giving you 5 more seconds for this question. Okay, this one. What is the relation between the physical environment and the living organisms? Is it independent? It is interdependent? Is it competitive? Or is it mutualistic? Last question. Which layer of the atmosphere stretches up to 18 kilometers above your head, above the equator? You got this correct. I hope you